Can you show the screen beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good. So we discuss about the electric potential. Here, as we know that the charges do not flow in a wire by themselves. Okay, charges do not flow in a wire by themselves. For that, we have to be switch on, okay, of electricity. Then flow of the charge will be observed. So charges do not flow in a wire by themselves. Here, the electrons move only there is a difference of electric pressure. Electrons move only there is a difference of electric pressure, and it is known as the potential difference. Okay, the electrons move only if there is a difference of electric pressure, and it is known as the potential difference along the conductor. Here, when the cell is connected to a conducting circuit, okay, when the cell is connected to a conducting circuit element, the potential difference at the charges in the motion in the conductor and produces the electric current. Now here we define the electric potential difference between the 2 points in electric circuit. We define the electric potential difference between the 2 points in an electric circuit carrying some current as the work done to move unit charge from one point to the other point charge. So here, that is the potential difference V, okay, between the 2 points of the wire or conductor. So there is a work done per electric charge. Okay, the potential difference between the 2 points of the conductor is equal to the work done per electric charge. Here the potential difference, okay, the symbol of potential difference is capital V, and the work done symbol is capital W, and the electric charge, that is the symbol is capital Q. So there is V is equal to V upon Q. Okay, W upon Q, sorry, V is equal to W upon Q. So V is the potential difference, W is the work done, and Q is the electric charge. Okay, so V is equal to W by Q. So potential difference between 2 points of the conductor is equal to work done per electric charge. It is known as the potential difference. And the SI unit of electric potential difference is volt. Okay, capital V. The SI unit of electric potential difference is volt. Okay, here, that is as we know that V is equal to W by Q. Okay, V is the potential difference, W is the work done, and Q is the electric charge. So here, that is 1 volt. Okay, potential difference, that is potential SI unit of potential difference is volt. Okay, so 1 volt is equal to W, that is work. Okay, work done measured in joule. The SI unit of work done is joule, and the SI unit of electric charge, it is Q measured in a coulomb, electric charge measured in a coulomb. So 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. Okay. So the electric potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another point, that is 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. Okay, so here 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb, that is 1 volt is equal to, that is symbol mathematically, that is 1 V is equal to 1 J C inverse. Okay, that is 1 volt is equal to 1 joule into coulomb inverse, okay, or 1 joule per coulomb. Okay, so the potential difference is measured by means of instrument. It is known as the voltmeter. So voltmeter measure the electric potential difference. Okay, what is the function of voltmeter? It measure the potential difference. It measure the potential difference, okay, between the 2 points of the conductor. Now, example 12.2. Okay. How much work is done in moving a charge 2 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference 12 volt? So we have to measure the work done, that is capital W. We have to find out work done, find out, and given the electric charge, that is 2 coulomb is given, Q value, that is electric charge Q value to C. Okay, and potential difference V is equal to 12 volt is given. So as we know that V is equal to W upon Q. V is equal to W upon Q. So W is equal to V multiplied by Q. Okay, V is equal to W is equal to V multiplied by Q. So V is equal to voltage 12 volt and electric charge Q is equal to 2 coulomb. So 12 to 24. Okay, work done measured in a joule. So the SI unit of work done is joule. So W is equal to 24 joule. Okay. Here in text question first, that is a name a devices that helps to maintain a potential difference across the conductor. So across the conductor, we have to maintain the potential difference for that cell or battery, power supply. Okay, so these are the requirement to maintain the potential difference across the conductor, cell, battery, and power supply. Then second question, what is meant by saying that the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? Okay, what is meant by saying that the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? So here 1 joule work is required. Okay, 1 joule work is required to move charge of amount 1 coulomb. Okay, 1 joule work is required to move charge of amount 1 coulomb. Then third question, how much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volt battery? How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6 volt battery? Now this equation, as you know, that V is equal to W upon Q. Okay, V is equal to W upon Q. So here potential difference is equal to work done per electric charge. So we have to find out W. W is equal to V multiplied by Q. Okay, now V value is given. V is equal to 6 volt. Okay, and Q electric charge is 1. Okay, so 6 multiplied by 1, that is 6 joule. Okay, 6 volt is bigger battery. V is equal to W upon Q. So W is equal to V multiplied by Q. V is equal to 6 volt given. And electric charge passing is given 1 coulomb. Okay, each coulomb, it is given to each coulomb, it is 1 coulomb. So 6 volt multiplied by 1 coulomb. So answer 6 1 ja 6, work measured in joule. So 6 joule answer is, okay, answer is 6 joule. Then after circuit diagram, we have to observe that circuit diagram. Here in a figure, that is electric circuit as shown in the figure, that is given electric circuit, that is a compressed cell or battery, plug key, electrical components, connecting wire. Okay, so it is often convenient to draw a schematic diagram in which different components of the circuit are represented by the symbol conventionally used. Okay, so conventional symbol used to represent some of the most commonly used electrical components. Now, which are the electrical component? Electric cell, battery, plug key, okay, joint wire, electric bulb, resistance, variable rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter. Okay, all these are the electrical component, and beside their symbol is given. So first we take the electric cell. So the symbol of electric cell you can be observed first. Okay, number one is electrical cell. So first that is the size, both parallel line, one big and one smaller line. Okay, big line parallel to show the positive terminal, and small line it shows the negative terminal. Positive terminal, negative terminal indicates electrical cell. Then next, battery. Number two is the battery or combination of cell. Okay, combination of cell, that is 1, 2 and 3. Three cells are connected. Okay, three cells are connected. So it is combination of cell. Then next one, plug key or open switch. Plug key or open switch, you can be observe the symbol. Then next, closed switch, plug key or closed switch. Then a wire joint, okay, T shape wire joining. Then after wire crossing with joining, okay, symbol is given, wire crossing without joining. Okay, overlapping. I will be overlapping. Then after electric bulb, we show the symbol of electric bulb. Okay, it is given. Then resistors, resistors of having resistance capital R. Okay, zigzag line. Okay, so resistors of resistance R. Then after variable resistance, okay, variable resistance or the rheostat. So there are two symbols. Use any one syllable, both are correct. Rheostat or variable resistance. Then ammeter, okay, positive, negative terminal of ammeter, voltmeter, V, positive, negative terminal. Now, what is the function of ammeter? You know, anyone? Function of ammeter? If you know the answer, please give me answer. Hello? What is the function of? Yes, it measures the electric current. Yes, very good. And what is the function of voltmeter? What is the function of voltmeter? Voltmeter na function શું
measure the electric potential.
Potential difference. Yes, very good. Voltmeter measure the electric potential difference. Okay, electric potential difference. Yes, very good. So all these are the components. No, afterwards, don't write up. Component and symbols. So the component, that is an electric cell. That is again, I revise, electric cell. It represents positive and negative terminal. Then battery or combination. Okay, 3 cell. 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell. Then 4 cell, 5 cell. You can be combined to each other. So it is combination of cell, positive and negative terminal. Then plug key. Okay, opened key. Then next one, that is a closed switch. It is a closed switch. Okay, closed switch. Then after a wire joint. Okay, wire joint. Yes. And then after you can be observe the symbol wire crossing without joining. Okay, wire crossing without joining. Then the symbol electric bulb.
Electric
Okay,
bulb.
this is the electric bulb. Then after resistor,
A resistor
resistors of
of resistance R.
resistor. And this is the variable resistance. Okay, variable resistance. It is also known as the
A
rheostat. Okay,
rheostat.
or variable resistance. Then it is the ammeter
Ammeter
and emitter.
and
Okay,
voltmeter.
emitter and voltmeter. Ammeter symbol is capital A and voltmeter symbol is capital V.
Capital
Ammeter
V.
measure the electric potential and V measure the electric potential difference. Okay,
Different.
so these are the symbol of the different components of the electrical components. Then after Ohm's law, okay, there are this time. So Ohm's law, it is a very important question for the examination, board examination. Okay, it is very, very important. You have to prepare it very well. Okay, Ohm's law, having the electric circuit diagram, you have to observe. Then after graph, you can be detailed study and you have to derive the equation. Okay, 4 marks માં question પૂછાય છે long question માં. Derive the Ohm's law. Okay, derive the Ohm's law and write down its conclusion. Okay, write down its conclusion. Such type of question will ask in a examination for board exam. It is very, very most important 4 marks question માં. અને જે આ ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે આ ઉપર કર્યો ને સિમ્બોલ એન્ડ કોમ્પોનન્ટ, ઓકે, આમાંથી 1 માર્કના ક્વેશ્ચનમાં પૂછાય છે બકા શોર્ટ. રાઇટ ધ સિમ્બોલ, ઓકે, રાઇટ ધ you draw the symbol of electric cell, draw the symbol of wire joining, or sometime maybe
Sure.
question asked using the symbol and make the circuit. Okay, suppose
Sir.
using the electric cell, 1 minute, using the electric cell, plug key and resistors come and ammeter, draw the electric circuit. Okay, draw the electric circuit. આ રીતે ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછે 1 માર્ક માં. ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો બકા? કયા કયા કોમ્પોનન્ટ આપેલા હોય? Using the electric cell,
Yes, sir.
plug key and resistor and ammeter, measure, draw the electric circuit. Okay, draw the electric circuit. એટલે આ રીતે એનો બને એની સર્કિટ એની બતાવી દો.
Sir.
હા, 1 મિનિટ બકા. આ રીતે ક્વેશ્ચન ઇલેક્ટ્રિક using the cell,
Okay.
battery, okay, ammeter or electric lamp or the resistors, draw the electric circuit. આ ડ્રો કરવાની પૂછે 1 માર્ક માં. હા, બોલ શું કહેતો હતો બોલ.
સર આ ટેબલ આપણે લખવાનું છે.
હા, ડ્રો કરજો 1 ટાઈમ નું ડ્રો કરી દેજો બકા. લખીને ડ્રો કરજો 1 ટાઈમ. ટેબલ 12.1 છે ને એ ડ્રો કરવાનું. ચલાઈ ગયો? આજનું હોમવર્ક એટલું જ છે. 12.1
ઓકે.
સિમ્બોલ અને કોમ્પોનન્ટ્સ ડ્રો કરવાના. ઓકે, હવે જો કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન છે?
નો.
ઓકે, કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન તો પૂછી શકો બકા. Okay, you leave the class now.